Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this super cool Ninja 1000 SX. So it's a beautiful 2021 bike, comes with the luggage on there, that's a quick release pannier system and a Scorpion exhaust. Finished off in the black with the orange and silver decals, my personal favourite colour scheme on these. Being the Ninja, you do get the full LED headlights on there, you get 4 adjustments in the screen now rather than 3 on the previous Z1000 model. Full colour TFT display, power modes, quick shifter, auto, blipper, cruise control. So they've got mega spec on these bikes, they really do. Like I say, everything's all nice and easy to see on that full colour display. All the switches are dead easy to operate, it's all right there at touch of a button. But yeah, they're a massive upgrade over the previous model and always sell very well. So if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.